In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock notes with Passcode and Touch ID in Zoho Notebook. By the end, you'll know how to protect the entire app, specific notebooks, or individual note cards with a passcode and on supported devices with Touch ID, Face ID, or a fingerprint. This adds a strong layer of privacy so only you can view sensitive content. Before we start, a quick note on where these settings live. The locking controls are available in the mobile app on iOS and Android. The web and desktop versions don't currently let you set locks for individual notes or notebooks. Those are managed from your phone. Once configured on mobile, your locked content remains protected and will prompt for authentication when accessed. Let's set up your passcode and biometric unlock. Open the Zoho Notebook app on your phone, then head into Settings. Look for a section labeled Lock Notes, Security and Privacy, or Passcode and Biometrics. The exact name can vary slightly by device. Turn on the passcode lock and choose either a simple 4-digit PIN or a custom password. After you set your passcode, enable Biometric Unlock, so you don't have to type the code every time. On iOS, the app will prompt you to enable Touch ID or Face ID right after the passcode is set. On Android, find the fingerprint unlock option in the same lock settings. Make sure your device's biometric feature is already set up in your phone's system settings, or you won't see the prompt. With the passcode and biometrics enabled, you can lock specific notebooks. Go to your notebook list, then long press a notebook, or swipe left on it if your device supports that gesture. Tap Lock. From now on, opening that notebook will require your passcode or a quick biometric scan. To protect an individual note card, open the note you want to secure. Tap the menu icon, typically the 3 dots, and choose Lock Note. The content of that note will become hidden and appear blurred until you authenticate. Unlocking is simple. Tap any locked notebook or note, then authenticate with Touch ID, Face ID, or your passcode. If you ever want to remove a lock, first unlock the item, open the menu or More Options, and select Remove Lock. You may be asked to confirm with your passcode or biometrics. That's it. With these settings, you keep your private information safe, while keeping access fast and convenient. Remember your passcode, keep your device's biometrics up to date, and you'll have a smooth, secure note-taking experience in Zoho Notebook.